In this video, we quickly revise the important points from the lesson Coal and Petroleum in Class 8 Science. These are the main topics in this lesson. Let's see one by one. First, we see about inexhaustible natural resources. Examples of inexhaustible natural resources are sunlight and air. These resources are present unlimited quantity in nature, and these resources are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Next, we see about exhaustible natural resources. Examples of exhaustible natural resources are forest, wildlife, mineral, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Amount of these resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. Exhaustible natural resources were formed from the dead remains of living organisms, that means fossils. So, coal, petroleum, natural gas are known as fossil fuels. The next topic is coal. Coal is as hard as stone and is black in color. Coal is one of the fuel used to cook food. Earlier it was used in railway engine to produce steam, and coal is used in thermal power plant to produce electricity. The next topic is story of coal. About 300 million years ago, Earth had dense forests in low-lying wetlands. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests get buried under soil. More soil is deposited over them. They were compressed. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plant get slowly converted into coal. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. When heated in air, coal burn and produce mainly carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. The next topic is coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Next topic is coal tar. Coal tar is black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Coal tar is a mixture of about 200 substances. Nowadays, bitumen is used in place of coal tar in roadworks. Next topic is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the process of coal to get coke. Coal gas is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plant. Next we move to topic petroleum. Petrol and diesels are obtained from the natural resources called petroleum. Petroleum is mined from between rocks under earth. Layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above water. Petroleum was formed from the organism living in the sea. As the organism died, their bodies settle down at bottom of the sea and get covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, these dead organisms transformed into petroleum and natural gas. The next topic is refining. Petroleum is dark oily liquid and has an unpleasant odor. Petroleum is a mixture of various constituents such as petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, petroleum gas, paraffin, etc. The process of separating the various constituents or fraction of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in petroleum refinery. The next topic is natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is very easy to transport through pipes. The natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, that means CNG. CNG is used for power generation. CNG is now being used as fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting and it is a cleaner fuel. CNG can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipeline. Natural gas is also used as starting material for number of chemical and fertilizers. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta. The next topic is constituents of petroleum. Petroleum gas in liquid form is important constituent. LPG uses fuel for home and industry. Petrol is a next important constituent. Petrol uses motor fuel and aviation fuel. Next important constituent is kerosene. Kerosene uses as fuel for stove, lamp and jet aircraft. The next important constituent is diesel. Diesel uses as fuel for heavy motor vehicle and generator. Another important constituent is lubricating oil. Lubricating oil is uses as lubrication. Another important constituent is paraffin wax. The paraffin wax uses as candle, ointment and vaseline, etc. Another important constituent is bitumen. Bitumen uses as road surfacing and paints. Due to great commercial importance, the petroleum is also called black coal. The last topic is limited resources. You know that coal, petroleum are fossil fuels. It required dead organism millions of years to convert into fossil fuels. But these known resources lost only in few hundred years. And burning of fossil fuels is a major cause of air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. In India, Petroleum Conservation Research Association advise people to how to save petrol, diesel while driving. Their tips are drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. The second is switch off the engine at traffic light or at a place where you have to wait. And third is ensure correct tire pressure. And fourth is ensure regular maintenance of vehicle and many more advices. That's the end of this lesson. If you enjoy watching our videos, please subscribe our channel. We have playlist for revision and MCQ videos for class 8 science. Please go and watch next. Thank you.